Hello students, till today we have seen 6 extracts, 6 activity sheets of the prose section. Today we are going to study the scene extract of the section 2nd, poetry. Now we are going to see poetry's extract, poetry's activities, and what type of questions will be in the poetry section. Already I have mentioned it detail in my evaluation pattern videos, but once again I am telling you. Section 2nd, poetry. Poetry and appreciation, marks 14. Read the extract and complete the activities given below. Scene extract from a poem of about 10 to 15 lines. Activity first, global understanding. It has 2 marks. Activity 2, inference, interpretation, analysis, 2 marks. Activity 3, personal response. Activity 4, poetic device. Activity 5th, creativity. Now, let's see the activity first, global understanding. In global understanding, there are varieties of question. See, web chart, flow chart, theme, gist, alternatives, true or false, rearrange, jumbled sentences, find proof, evidence, match the pairs, find 2 correct or 2 wrong sentences, etc. Activity second, inference, interpretation. Give reasons for, find out the meaning for, complete the sentence, write expressions, instances to support writer's view, complete with suitable response, etc. Activity 3, personal response. Open-ended, should be directly or indirectly related to the theme of the poem, should be unbiased, no S type questions but with satisfaction, self-experience, parallel experience, agree, disagree with the poet's views, opinion, to the situations, suggestions or solution for a problem, reaction to the situation, suggestions or solution for a problem, commenting or criticizing on poet's view, give reasons, list the changes that you would bring in yourself. Activity 4, activity testing, poetic devices. Figures shall be from the prescribed syllabus. Varieties of activities shall be framed. Activity 5th, poetic creativity. Activities shall be varied in nature. Optimum scope shall be given to the open-ended thinking expressions. No meter, no rhyme scheme is strictly expected. Suggested activities. To replace the words, antonyms, synonyms. To replace the certain line, add 2 more lines of your own. Change only the 3rd line, 4th line, etc. Compose parallel lines. Suggest different ending to the poem. Add a free verse. Insert adjectives or adverbs. Today we are going to see the activities of the 3rd poem, poem number 2.3, The Inchcape Rock. First, see the summary of the poem in short, and then we will see the activities of the poem. The Inchcape Rock is a ballad written by English poet Robert Southey. It deals with the story of a 14th century attempt by the abbot of Aberbrothock to install a warning bell on the Inchcape Bell. The poem begins on a calm note. The waves were flowing over the Inchcape Rock without any impact. The abbot of Aberbrothock had placed a bell on the Inchcape Rocks to warn the sailors about the perilous rocks. When the sea pirate Ralph saw the bell, he felt jealous of the abbot's popularity. So he decided to cut the bell. He asked his men to sail him to the bell. He cut off the rope of the bell and the bell went down with a gurgling sound. The Ralph moved on and after plundering the ships was returning to his land. Suddenly the weather was getting worse. Thick haze covered the sky. A violent storm began to blow. Nothing was visible due to bad weather, but the Ralph was sure that the weather would soon improve. The sailor wished they could hear the Inchcape bell, but as it was really cut down, they didn't hear any sound. At last, the ship collided with the Inchcape rock and drowned along with all his sailors. But even in his dying fear, one thing the Ralph could hear is the sound of the gurgling bell. In fact, it was the devil below who was ringing his knell. The theme of the poem gives us a message that those who do wrong things will meet with due punishment, in short. Or as you sow, so shall you reap. पेराल तसे उगवेल. म्हणजेच या कवितेमधून एक स्टोरी सांगितलेली आहे आणि ती स्टोरी अशी आहे की आपण चांगले कर्म कराल चांगले होईल, जर तुम्ही वाईट कराल तर त्याची शिक्षा तुम्हाला निश्चितच मिळणार. म्हणजे तुम्ही पेराल तसे उगवेल. तुम्ही जसे कर्म कराल तसंच तुम्हाला त्याचे फळ मिळणार. लेट्स सी द ॲक्टिव्हिटीज. क्वेश्चन: read the extract and complete the activities given below. It has 10 marks. See the page number 104 in the textbook. First, second, third and fourth stanzas for the extract. First activity, activity A1, wave. Complete the wave giving the expression of calmness. Expressions of calmness. Activity second, give reason. Abbot of Aberbrothock was called worthy. Give its reason. Activity 3, personal response. List the risk of journey by the sea. Activity 4, poetic device. Write 2 examples of the figure of speech repetition from the extract. Activity 5th, poetic creativity. Add your 2 poetic lines to rhyme with the first 2 lines. So little they rose, so little they fell. They did not move the Inchcape bell. तर याला रिलेटेड आपल्याला आणखीन 2 लाईन्स लिहायच्या आहेत. Now see the first activity. Activity A1, wave. Complete the wave giving the expressions of calmness. या ठिकाणी शांततेचे एक्सप्रेशन्स आपल्याला लिहायचे आहेत. We have to complete the wave. Expression of calmness. We will get the answer in the first stanza. See the answers. No stir in the air, no stir in the sea. बघा या ठिकाणी या फर्स्ट स्टँझामध्ये कवी म्हणतोय त्या समुद्राच्या ठिकाणचे ॲटमॉस्फिअरचे वर्णन केलेले आहे. हवेत बिलकुल हालचाल नाही, त्यामुळे समुद्राच्या पाण्यात सुद्धा हालचाल नाही. In the first stanza, the poet describes the calmness of the sea and says the natural settings. The atmosphere was calm and motionless. No stir in the air. एका बॉक्समध्ये आपण लिहू शकतो no stir in the air. आणि सेकंडमध्ये लिहा नो स्टर इन द सी. नेक्स्ट, शिप वॉज स्टील. आणि आणखीन एका बॉक्समध्ये तुम्ही लिहू शकताय कील वॉज स्टेडी. आणि जहाजसुद्धा शक्य तितके शांत होते. नेक्स्ट ॲक्टिव्हिटी, ॲक्टिव्हिटी सेकंड, गिव रिझन. Abbot of Aberbrothock was called worthy. Give its reason. बघा, ॲबरब्रोथॉक नावाचे चर्च आहे. त्या चर्चमधील ॲबॉट हे एक प्रिस्ट आहेत, फादर आहेत. त्यांचे नाव ॲबॉट आहे. तर ते एक अतिशय चांगल्या प्रतीचे व्यक्ती म्हणून ओळखले जात होते. त्यांच्याकडे खूप चांगल्या क्वालिटीज होत्या. ते नेहमी दुसऱ्यांचा अतिशय चांगला विचार करत ते संतांसारखे होते. त्याचे कारण काय? गिव्ह इट्स रिझन. ॲबॉट ऑफ ॲबरब्रोथॉक वॉज कॉल्ड वर्दी. गिव्ह इट्स रिझन. See the answer. Abbot of Aberbrothock was called worthy because he had placed the bell that the single of the presence of the Inchcape rock under the water. The bell helped the sailors to keep their ship away from rock. The bell saved their life as well as ship. तर ॲबॉट ऑफ ॲबरब्रोथक यांनी एका इंचकेप रॉक हा पाण्याखाली होता आणि तो रॉक दिसत नसे समुद्रामध्ये आणि बऱ्याच वेळा हे खलाशी त्या खडकाला आदळून त्यांचा मृत्यू होत असे, त्यांची म्हणजे जहाज त्या ठिकाणी तुटत असे आणि त्यामुळं ॲबॉट ऑफ ॲबरब्रोथकने हे ओळखून त्या रॉकवर एक बेल बसवली, जेणेकरून खलाशांना त्या बेलचा आवाज ऐकू येत असे आणि त्या खलाशांचा त्या सेलर्सचा जीव वाचत असे. द बेल सेव्ड देअर लाईफ ॲज वेल ॲज शिप. See the activity number 3. Activity 3, personal response. List the risk of journey by sea. Answer. List of probable risk of the journey by the sea. Encounter with sea animals, bad weather, sinking of ship due to collision with rock, attack of pirates. Activity 4, poetic device. Write 2 examples of the figure of speech repetition from the extract. एक्स्ट्रॅक्टमधून रिपिटिशनचे 2 एक्झाम्पल्स आपल्याला या ठिकाणी लिहायचे आहेत. सी द आन्सर. नो स्टर इन द एअर, नो स्टर इन द सी. तर या ठिकाणी सेम वर्ड्स रिपीट झालेले आहेत. नो स्टर इन द एअर, नो स्टर इन द सी. सेकंड, सो लिटिल दे रोज, सो लिटिल दे फेल. सो लिटिल असे शब्द या ठिकाणी रिपीट झालेले आहेत. सेम वर्ड्स आर रिपीटेड प्लेझिंगली. ॲक्टिव्हिटी फिफ्थ, पोएटिक क्रिएटिव्हिटी. Add your own poetic lines to rhyme with the first 2 lines. So little they rose, so little they fell. They did not move the Inchcape bell. It was the thing they wanted to tell, to avoid to meet the deadly hail. तर या ठिकाणी सेम लाईन्स पाहिजेत असं काही नाही आहे. त्याला मॅच होणाऱ्या कोणत्याही लाईन्स तुम्ही या ठिकाणी ॲड करू शकता. Students, here we have completed the 10 marks activities of the poem number 2.3, The Inchcape Rock. Read the poem and read the given activities carefully and write down all the activities in your notebook. Okay, thank you.